I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
These damn Civics are gonna be the death of me. I don't think I'm supposed to have exhaust in my intake. Yeah, it's pretty odd. Well, this Honda Earth Dreams has turned into Earth Nightmare. This is what you don't want dripping out of your intercooler. All that oil. I'm going to flush this one. And take a look at the other side. All that debris. All that sediment. Not good. This turbo is completely destroyed. But we got a new one. Genuine Honda. Brand new turbo. Let's pray to God this thing works. Speaking of the nut, there's the nut right there. Better make sure that's a little secure. All right. Now I gotta swap this stuff over to the new one. Like the oil drain tube and I believe the coolant tube. Yep, that coolant tube. Two things. Good stuff. Okay, that turbo is ready to go back in the car. But first, before we do that, I want to see exactly what's broken inside of this brand new old, if that makes sense, brand new old turbo. Let me take the snap ring off and pull the whole cartridge out. There we go. And voila, it's all back together. Now let's just see if it makes some boost. All right, let's toggle through this. Get over to turbo. See if we, there we go. Let's see, let me put this thing in neutral. Yep, getting some kind of boost. video game. Let's see how many of those bars we can light up on the interstate. Right. Almost got it all. All right, I got all those bars. Turbo boost, go! Oh, damn it. That's not good. That thing ain't spooling nothing. This would be the silent killer of a turbo. See that little screen right there? That screen goes to the block of the engine. And when it gets clogged full of crap like that black stuff, yeah, it's not gonna get oil into it and your turbo is gonna explode. Isn't that wonderful? I just peeled all that crap out of my oil feature. If y'all want to say a prayer for me, go ahead. Just pop this off, right? Slide this thing in. Right. What the fuck are you? I know you guys ain't gonna be able to see these bolts, but trust me, they go right there on the cold side of this turbo. It's 3 bolts and 1 nut. Go right through here.
Flying like fucking 80 miles an hour down fucking Westport Road. It hits that bend.
Alrighty, there we go. She's running great. No check engine light. Don't mind the TPMS light. It's because she's got 2 different size tires on the front. And now the thing that I can't stand about these Honda Civics with the 1.5 liter turbo engine is that you don't even really feel the turbo kick in until you're at higher speeds, like around 60, 70 miles an hour. So you don't feel the instant boost when you take off. It takes a while for it to build. And then not only that, the other thing I can't stand is that it's got an electrical blow-off valve, or wastegate, electric wastegate. That's the proper terminology. But why don't they just have a mechanical one so you can hear the or the all those fun noises when you accelerate? But oh well, I guess the economy crap, I guess you have to have an electronic wastegate. But anyways, this problem's fixed, and I cannot believe that tiny little piece of trash that was in the turbo feed caused 2 turbos to be destroyed, or 3 if you count the original one. Anyways, who's counting? Anyways, if you like this episode of Gas Diesel Garage, please like, subscribe, comment if you like, and tell me I'm a dumbass for not checking the turbo feed. But hey, almost a brand new vehicle. I wouldn't have think that the oil would have had that much stuff in it. But anyways, until next time, peace.